She's uncomfortable.
Hey, girls. It's mommy and daughter. Hey, Tasha. Tasha, look. Whoop, whoop. Hi, mommy. Vying for position. I know. Are you gonna yell at her? Huh?
She's laying on top of her.
I know. Tasha. Tasha, look. Come on.
She's like, if I don't look, she's not gonna bite me.
Girls. Oh.
Tasha.
Yeah, that's a
Good
good
girl.
girl. Hey, mommy. What are you doing? You're holding your own? Huh? It's scary. Huh? You're a good girl. Oh, there's a good girl. Here you are. There's a good mommy.